In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to fix virus and threat protection is managed by your organization in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at the search box and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a best match in this window, and once you have seen the command prompt system, please navigate to the right side and wait until you can get the option called Run as Administrator. Once it's here, directly click on it, and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes to proceed. Okay? So before we continue, I want you to copy the command text that I have given at the description box below. Once you have copied it, please make a right click here. Okay? It is reg delete. Okay? So let me just edit this first. It is reg delete. Okay? So once done, all you need to do is you need to click on the enter key in your keyboard. Okay? So let me just click on it here. Okay. So just click on the enter key in your keyboard, and here it asks you to delete the registry value disable anti-spyware. Just type for Y or yes. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard. Once you've done it, your problem will be fixed. So by that, you can now close this window. Navigate to the taskbar. You can see a forward arrow icon. Click on it and click on click on the shield icon to open your Windows Defender. And from here, try to check if the error still persists under the virus and threat protection. I'm sure it will be removed this time. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.